Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, viewers. Today, inshallah, we shall discuss on bearing, as you can see it on this board. But let us start with cardinal points first. In cardinal points, we have 4, we have 8, and we have 16. We shall discuss all on them, inshallah. Okay, let me start with the 4 cardinal points. So this one, it is not that too complex. It is just simple. It's just 4 points: up, down, left, and right. Okay, in 4 cardinal points, as you are seeing, this one that is looking up is the north. North. While this one by the right is east. This one down is south, and this one by the left, it is west. West. And the angle between north and east, it is 90 degrees. The angle between east and south, it is also 90. And the angle between south and west, it is 90. And the angle between west and north, it is also 90, and the rest. Okay, let me not waste too much of time. I just want to show the cardinal points only. Okay, now let us see the 8 cardinal point. You see, this is 4, just like this one. East, south, and west from this one. Okay, now this point is just a halfway between north and east, a half, that is middle or in between. So we call it northeast. Northeast. While this one, it is in between south and east, so it is southeast. This one, it is in between south and west, we call it southwest. And this one, it is in between west and north, or north and west, we call it northwest. And in this case, it is called northeast, northeast, north. This one, it is called southeast, and it is not called east south. This one, it is called southwest, but not west south. And this one, it is northwest, but not west north. Meaning that we don't have the opposite of this, and this one. Okay, now let us see the 16 cardinal point. The 16. Okay, this is 16 cardinal points. 16 cardinal points. In addition to the 8 now, we will have this one. Before we have the 4, we have the 8, and now this one, it is the 16. This is 4. 4. We know this one already now. I'm having another 1, 2, 3, 4 point now. In addition to this north, east, south, and west. And we said it is just a halfway in between north and east. That is this point. Like that, like that. So now this is northeast. Northeast. In this point and this point, this n is just like a king. Like a king. So n in this point and in this point will come first. So this is also n and n. But since this one and this one, this line, it is in between this north and this west. So this one, it is just northwest. As I said, n here will come first because n here, it is just like a king. Now this is east, this is south. So now this south will come first in this point and in this point. South will come first in this point and in this point. So now this point, it is in between south and east, so it is just southeast. We don't have east south. Then this point now, it is in between south and west, so it is just southwest now. So now we can see 8 now. 8. Now let us see the 16 now. Now, if you count this one, you will see 16. 16. Okay, now let us point at kings here. Kings. Please, doing this one will be helpful to know the king. In this case, king will come first, then the rest of the point. Now, n should be a king here. So now in this point, this point and this one, N will come first. And this point, it is a point midway or in this middle of this N and NE. So now this point will be NNE, that is north-northeast. While this one now, it is in between this N and this northwest. So now this one will be what now? It will be northwest. I have finished with this one now. Okay. E here will come first in this point and in this point. E is a king now. So now this point, it is in between E and NE, that is east and northeast. So it will be east, northeast. While this one, it is in between east and southeast. So it will be east, southeast. This point and this point, S will be a king now. So in this point and in this point, S will be a king. This means that S will come first here and here now. And this point, it is in between south and southeast. So now this one will be south-southeast. While this one, as I said, S will come first, and it is in between S and SW. So this point now will be south-southwest. Then the last one. This W will be a king. Here and here, we will have the blue, that is west, that will come first in this point and in this point. This point, it is in between this and this, so it will be west, southwest. West, southwest. While this one will be what now? It will be west, northwest. West, northwest. So this is the 16 cardinal points